So we're here at the Comfort Inn and Suites Hotel, south in Ann Arbor, Michigan. We have something that's actually kind of cool to see at a hotel, a Series 220. Oh, look at that. The floor is showing that this wasn't always a Comfort Inn and Suites. It was something else. And look at that. It's got the rear digital indicator.
This is cool.
It's cool.
Motor.
It's a Kone.
For whatever reason, we're stopping on 2. Am I going up?
Going up?
Yep. Come on, bud.
I want another
Send it to
ride.
one.
Let's ride it again.
We'll do 2 round trips.
Early Kone. The number changes when it actually arrives at the floor. Just wake up for a minute. Alright. Go to one. Interesting door trap.
Those are cool buttons.
That may have been my first KSS 220. That's it.